Hi everyone, today is Friday, December 2. Vlogmas number 2. Tama ba? Or Vlogmas day 2. And Brent is going to get a haircut. Pati rin yata si Alan, I'm not sure. And so nasabi ko na before, pag men's salon tsaka women's salon, separated siya. Hindi ako pwede pumasok sa loob. So dito lang ako sa car. I'm going to apply my mascara since nagmamadali kami kanina and hindi ako nakapag-apply, hindi rin ako nakapag-blow dry ng hair. So what to do? We woke up around 7:30 or 8:30 na. Late na ako natulog kasi inedit ko pa yung vlog ko yesterday. So yeah, finally I've decided I'll do Vlogmas 2016. Wish me luck, magawa ko ng tama na makapag-upload ako on time. Madami nagpapagupit dito sa ano na to, sa salon na to. Kasi Pinoy yung mga nagugupit.
Sama ng sama.
Ayaw niya maiwan.
Tignan. Gusto niya internet, tapos ayaw niya naman maiwan.
I'm using Benefit Real Mascara. Ito yung deluxe. Sample size ba ang tawag? Or travel size? Yeah. I'm loving it. Good for my non-existent eyelashes. Ang pogi!
And cut! That's a wrap, baby!
Ah, sige.
Alright, cut.
Ang pogi naman!
Are you kidding me? Are you getting this? Look at this. They don't even cut.
Ang
That's what happens when you work with
cute! Do you like your
couples. Oh my
haircut?
God!
It's nice? Ganito ako pag nag-board sa sasakyan, naglilinis. What is wrong with me? Oh my gosh.
Hiya! That's mine.
Ayan, malinis na yung car ni Alan. Yung interior pala. And I just use baby wipes. Sabi niya sa inyo, best invention ever yun eh. Brent is starving. Just wait for daddy, ha? Pumunta si Alan kasi dun sa Pinoy store, may bibilin ata. Current time, 11 o'clock na. 11:16. Oh my gosh. Tagal ko na rin pa na naghihintay. Alan is back. And he got Brent piatos. Naglinis na ako. Alinis na, diba? Ginamit ko lang 2 wet wipes. Tapos tissue. Meron ko pa rin tissue. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Taga lang.
Yes. Okay? Parang bilis mo lang. Sa Pinoy.
Hindi naman ako bibili ng ibang kun eh. Kasi
Nakaset na sa utak mo kanina yung mga bibili. May Yakult.
meron.
Yehey!
You like that?
Ilang Yakult pinili mo?
Dalawa yata. Isa.
Dalawa.
You like Yakult, right, mommy?
Yes, I like Yakult. It helps me poop.
Bilis lang ako.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Bibili ng laruan ito. Baroue. Wala naman sa gate eh.
Oo, sa gate mas. Bila akong damit, ha? Don't forget.
Okay, I'll give you your money.
May allowance.
Oo. Siyempre, alam nga naman bibili kita dito.
Malay ko kung bibigyan mo ka
Lokohan na to.
pambili. Tapos bibigyan mo ka ng allowance.
May utang pa nga akong 400 eh.
Ayaw nga pala. Di Hindi naman ito sinisingil
Ay,
ko
syempre, dapat baka mo naman ang maningil naman. Bigyan mo naman ang kwan. Uhulugan ko pa yung kwan, di ba?
Yeah.
Para maumpisahan na lang ang nahuhulugan. Kaso hindi pa inactivity bro Hilda eh.
Busy pa ata. Busy. Ewan ko, tinatamad pa. Hindi ko pa nakakausap eh. Mala nga, hindi nga siya nag-FaceTime. Sabi ko, si Papa ngayon, pag pumunta siya sa Haping, sa office, Saturday
Yun
na.
nga,
Ay,
hindi
Friday
pa.
pa lang pala ngayon.
Hindi pa para dinadala.
Hindi pa, yun day.
Arin. Pero nasabi mo na, nandyan na.
Naka-NG.
Oo. Siyempre, kailangan niyo pampalakas para ano siya. Tibay. Sinaksak mo ba? Hindi.
Sinaksak kayo sa akin. Gusto mo saksak ko na sa'yo.
Ba't kailangan nandiyan yung ano mo?
Ay, sorry. Tatanggalin ko. Kasi nagpatugtog ako eh. Sorry.
Papatong-patong.
Sandali lang. Tatanggalin ka na, sir. Wait lang po, sir.
Ako lang na yung mga
Upo. Wait. Baka magbago isip mo eh. Alam mo, din ngayon. Kailangan mabait ako. Iningatan ko po yan, sir. Baka kasi masira ako. Hindi ako mabigyan ng allowance. Favorite store. We're going to Baroue. Parang wala na mga lightsaber. Spider-Man. Ito na lang natira eh. Meron na siya nito. Nothing else. No more. Meron na siya niyan. Oh my kulay. There's no lightsaber. Currently, I think. Bumili dahil dito. Bali, 2. Ay, 3 pala.
3 po?
Tapos isapoy niya kalada lang.
Sa isang tubig na ano?
Bakit?
Room temperature lang. Room temp lang.
This is yours.
Yung isa po?
Cold.
Hindi po lahat. Isang...
Did he mix red with yellow? I want blue.
Ay, meron na yan na hindi masarap yung blue, maasim. How was it?
Good.
Parang ako nag-workout.
Saan tayo kakain?
Sa Pinoy. You want?
Saan ba kasakit ko? Nako. We're here at morning and evening restaurant, and first we're having this papaya salad. Ayan, for Brent, chicken adobo, alam dahil na lang sa akin, green curry beef, fried rice. Let's eat it. We're here at the Avenues. Nandito kami sa Ikea side. We're here at Baroue, the Avenues. Here's Brent.
Wala na dito.
Parang wala na rin ata eh. Here, Star Wars. But I don't know if there's still lightsaber. Yeah, nada. It's all gone. It's Batman. Wala na talaga, nak. Na lang ang Star Wars. Wala nang ultimate effects lightsaber. Fantasy world. Hi.
It's not licensed.
Pie face. Dito, boys. Ito lang. Yeah, same.
Same what you have.
Other side. No, dragons. Soldier force. Yun lang eh.
You're calling mommy.
Kunti na lang, nasa exit lang. Ha?
The power bank.
Sa likod, Brent.
Sa likod ng power bank, Brent.
Next, I have the Star Wars, The Force Awakens, Millennium Falcon. That's pretty cool. There's no minifigures in here, just the Millennium Falcon. That's it. Next, I have the giant thing, the Star Wars, The Force Awakens, X-Wing Starfire. This is actually like the other one from Episode 4, but this is Episode 7, and it's black. And there's a minifigure here. It says Poe Dameron, that's his name. And at the back, it shows you the cool stuff in there. You can get his helmet and put it on. And here we have Finn Starkiller base, First Order, Rear Order, First Order Speeder, and that's it.
Of all the things that we got, this is what I'm really excited about. Pie face! Finally, we got it. We got it for 12 KD, 950 fields, or it's roughly around 2,000 pesos. There! Sorry, nag-reflect siya. Ayan! So, sa susunod, magkakaroon kami ng challenge. Pie face challenge.
And let's see.
The things that we got today, yan, pie face, basta Star Wars toys for Brentley, slimy, what is this? Slime, gooey, I don't know, some Christmas decors, fair. I don't know what's this one. I think this is for Alan. This is the Galaxy Zega realistic virtual tank war game. Toys for big boys. Yeah. There you go. And then I passed by H&M and got 2 clothing items. This is a jumper in blush color and the other one is in gray. Ayan. I got this for 8KD half. There. Okay, outfit of the day. I'm wearing just plain white t-shirt from Zara. My cardigan, this is from Mango. My jogger pants, Uniqlo. My shoes, this is the Melissa Ultra Girl Flats. There. And my bag, this is the Lady Dior Mini in black lambskin leather with gold hardware. Jewelries, my Cartier inspired bangles in rose gold, white gold, yellow gold. And then my Shariol bangle, ring, watch, bangle also, Shariol, engagement ring, earrings, my golden South Sea pearl earrings. There.